Good morning, everyone. Today, I will teach you a simple step-by-step process on how to prepare a graphic 3D printed name model. First, open your web browser and search for uh, MakerWord. Then click the MakerWord website. Next is search for the model that you want to use. For this demonstration, I will create a nameplate. So there are many templates here. You can choose what you want. But for today, I will choose uh, this one. Open it. Then click customize. Then wait for it to load. Customize. Then wait for it to load. So now you can type any letter that you want. For this example, I will use the initial K. Then for the name, I will type Kiara. The next is the letter font. Use the font that you like, but for me, I will choose that one. Name font, I will choose this also. And for the letter size, I will choose 130. And for the name size, I will choose 40 mm. Then here in the names, in the letter height, I will choose 40 mm. And in the name height, I will choose 15 mm. Here in name position, I will choose negative mm. And in tolerance, I will choose 0.26 mm. After that, download it. Then click confirm, download. Then type the name file that you want. For me, I will choose Kiara. Then save. After that, go to desktop. Then find the file name that you type. For me, it is Kiara. It is here. Open it. Wait for it to load. So it is open now. Then Click the preview to check how long the printing process will take. For the letter K, it is estimated print time is all about 1 hour and 55 minutes. And for the name, it will take around 1 hour and 9 minutes. If you print both together, the total estimated time is approximately 3 hours and 4 minutes. And when everything is ready, click Export All. Export All. Then save the file with your preferred file name. Save it. And finally, copy the file to an SD card, and your file is now ready for 3D printing. That's it, how to prepare a graphic 3D printed name model. And that's all. Thank you for watching.